When it comes to design small spaces, it is all about tricking your eyes to make yourself believe the space is much larger than it appears. Small spaces can be comfortable and stylish. Hi guys, my name is Jasmine Zadav. I am an interior designer, Vastu consultant and director of Vivid Studio Private Limited. Today I am going to show you 10 major tips that you should consider while designing your small spaces. The very first is extend your spaces with the help of mirrors, but in the right place. Visual manipulation is all about decorating small places with an exact accessory. In a small apartment, use larger mirror as it will suddenly immediately just change the look of your room as it will reflect natural and artificial light. The best place to place the mirror is opposite to the window as it will reflect natural light coming from outside without obstructing any element that will create said illusion. Second is smart and multifunctional furniture that can serve multiple purposes are everything. Multifunctional furniture has the ability to adapt any function at any point when designing especially small spaces as it can convert into multiple purposes. Look for multiple uses in everything, whatever you buy. For example, coffee table with storage, an ottoman that can serve as a center table and that can be converted into seating when there will be a huge number of guests at your places. Remember a golden rule while designing small spaces. Everything should be multifunctional. This is very important. Third is light and transparent furniture items. Consider while buying any furniture item, what is its visual weight? Weightless or transparent objects are the best choices while designing these kind of circumstances. Personally, I like transparent objects because it can be multifunctional also and chic at the same time. When you use transparent objects, you can trick your mind because it is going to create an illusion that the space is much bigger than it is. You can trick your mind. Avoid big and solid objects, furniture items, because that is going to create an illusion of hugeness. Furniture pieces having legs looks more sleeker than furnitures which are placed directly on the floor. While selecting the material for your furniture, keep in mind that you are going to choose lighter material while choosing for furniture. Just try to avoid crowding space with too much of information. The fourth is think vertical. The space is three-dimensional. We have more than footprints. We have more than floor. Just think vertical. Use carpets having impressions of vertical design. Use your wall up to the ceiling whenever it is possible. Objects of furniture which is designed up to the ceiling, it is going to give you the illusion that the space is having much more height and much more open space. And this is going to give you that add-on storage that you need while designing small spaces. The fifth one is use light color palette. Use lighter colors on walls and floors so that it can reflect more light and it will open up the space. While using lighter colors on walls, it is going to reflect light and it will create an illusion in our mind. You can use whites, you can use light blues, you can use light greens and much more. Lighter shades, just we have to use lighter shades. The sixth one is lightings. Wall lightings, ceiling or architectural lighting. Lighting is a key while designing small spaces. You should definitely avoid bigger lamps, bigger table lamps, wall lamps or floor lamps. Wall lamps, or I will say that indirect light on the wall. If there is a possibility that you can achieve that wall lamps on your walls, you should definitely adopt that thing, because it is going to directly reflect the light and open up the space. Use LED strips to define more volume and give that edgy look for your ambience. The seventh one is open and articulate space. There are thousands of ways so that you can divide your spaces into different sections without using walls. Remember, decorating and designing small spaces is all about visual manipulation. Play with heights, colors, textures, rugs, multifunctional furniture to define the spaces at your home. The eighth one is lavated furniture. Wall-mounted furniture are the best option to decorate small spaces. Make your walls work more efficiently every time, because that is going to make your space seems more bigger. Getting your furniture off the floor, the space below that furniture, the floor, if it is open, it is going to give you the illusion of openness. Ninth one is chameleon space. Arrange the space so it meets your day-to-day life and you truly use it in that sense. Buy furniture that can be rearranged very easily and that are lighter in weight. You need to be able to rearrange your living area in just less than 10 minutes. 10th, very important, bring in plant. Nature gives you positive vibes. Nature opens up the space. Greenery makes you feel even the smallest space feels fresher and lighter. Nature inside is always a good idea. Nature humanizes the space. If you don't have space on the floor, no problem at all. You can use hanging plants. You can use sky planters. There are n numbers of options. It is going to give that modern and chic look to your place. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you really feel that this information is going to help you transform your space, do let me know in the comment section below. Please do like and subscribe.